So I just discovered a new feature in Procreate. Must have come in an update and I didn't notice it in a while, to the animation. Used to be in animation you really couldn't use layers because every time you added a layer it basically added another frame to your animation. And I was doing an animation in a class earlier today and noticed when I went to layers, the animation frames are now labeled as frame, and the foreground and background and whatever else you have are labeled as layers. So I can add a layer to my picture and it's called a layer and it does not become part of the animation. And then I can draw on it. And if you're like me, I like doing my foregrounds and backgrounds and any drawing in a multiple layers. So I would do that TV in the foreground in a bunch of layers and then merge all those layers together to have the main foreground, and not worry about every time I add a layer that it becomes a frame in my animation. So a really cool feature added to the animation features in Procreate. I hope they keep expanding the animation capabilities in Procreate because it could become a really useful tool. Not that it is already, but if they keep making it better and better, it'll just become more useful and become a main feature of Procreate. Until next time, thanks for liking this video, subscribing, ringing that bell, leaving any comments, and I'll see ya.